in the middle of nowhere, on a windswept plain that had been used by the Israeli army for artillery practice, piles of stones arranged in circles turned out, when viewed from the air, to be a Near Eastern Stonehenge. The unique structure consists of several concentric stone circles, 3 of them fully circular, and 2 forming only semicircles or horseshoes. The outer circle is almost 1/3 of a mile in circumference, and the other circles get smaller as they get nearer the structure's center. The walls of the 3 main stone circles rise to 8 feet or more, and their width exceeds 10 feet. They are constructed of field stones, ranging in size from small to megalithic ones that weigh 5 tons and even more. In several places, the circular concentric walls are connected to each other by radial walls, narrower than but about the same height as the circular walls. In the precise center of the complex structure, there rises a huge yet well-defined pile of stones, measuring some 65 feet across. Apart from its unique shape, this is by far one of the largest single stone structures in Western Asia. So large, in fact, that it can be seen from space by Earth-orbiting spacecraft. Engineers who have studied the site estimated that, even in its present condition, it contains more than 125,000 cubic feet of stones, weighing an aggregate of close to 45,000 tons. They estimated that it would have taken 100 workmen at least 6 years to create this monument, collect the basalt stones, transport them to the site, place them according to a preconceived architectural plan, and raise the walls, undoubtedly taller than the now visible remains, to form the cohesive complex structure. All of which raises the questions: by whom was this structure built, when, and for what? The easiest question to answer is the last one, for the structure itself seems to indicate its purpose, at least its original purpose. The outermost circle clearly showed that it contained 2 breaks or openings, one located in the northeast and the other in the southeast, locations that indicate an orientation toward the summer and winter solstices. Working to clear away fallen rocks and ascertain the original layout, Israeli archaeologists exposed in the northeastern opening a massive square structure with 2 extended wings that protected and hid narrower breaks in the 2 next concentric walls behind it. The building thus served as a monumental gate providing and guarding an entrance into the heart of the stone complex. It was in the walls of this entryway that the largest basalt boulders, weighing as much as 5.5 tons each, were found. The southeastern break in the outer ring also provided access to the inner parts of the structure, but there the entranceway did not possess the monumental building. But piles of fallen stones starting in this entranceway and leading outward from it suggest the outlines of a stone-flanked avenue extending in the southeastern direction, an avenue that might have outlined an astronomical line of sight. These indications that the place was indeed, as Stonehenge in Britain, built to serve as an astronomical observatory and primarily to determine the solstices, is reinforced by the existence of such observatories elsewhere, structures that are even more similar to the one on the Golan, for they feature not only the concentric circles, but also the radial walls connecting the circles. What is amazing is that those similar structures are at ancient sites all the way on the other side of the world, in the Americas. One is the Mayan site, Chichen Itza, in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, nicknamed the Caracol, snail, on account of the winding stairs inside the observatory's tower. Another is the circular observatory atop the promontory of Sacsayhuaman in Peru that overlooks the Inca capital Cusco. There, as at Chichen Itza, there was probably a lookout tower. Its foundations reveal the layout and astronomical alignments of the structure, and clearly show the concentric circles and connecting radials. Such similarities were reason enough for the Israelis.